Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can block a profile on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the end. Please subscribe to the channel. Like it. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Facebook, absolutely on any device. After that, we need to open the menu in the bottom right corner. Then in the upper right corner, click Settings and Privacy. And then we need to scroll down here and find a tab called Profile Locking. Now, in order to lock and lock your profile, we need to click Unlock Your Profile. Now let's wait a little bit, and as you can see, our profile is locked. We were able to lock it in this simple way. If you want to unlock it, we just go to the top right corner in Settings and Privacy. Click on Profile Locking, and then click on Unlock and unlock it. If you helped them like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Give it a like. Thank you very much for watching this video. Goodbye.